This video from Casio Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to change the time on your TE2000 register. So really simple procedure, possibly the clocks have gone back or forward and you want to change the time so it's reflected on your register. So you turn the key round to PGM, you need to make sure you've got the PGM key to hand, and then it's 1 subtotal to take you into the time date settings. And to change the time, you type in the new time in 4-digit format. So I want to change mine to 11 o'clock in the morning. So it's 1100, followed by the X date time key, and then the C key. And you can see there it's printed out the new time, and you can turn the key back to reg. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got other videos on getting the best out of the TE2000 and other Casio cash registers, some of which will be appearing on screen now, so feel free to click on those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.